Welcome to JH. If you have accidentally removed your Jio eSIM or lost it during a device reset, start by ensuring your phone is eSIM compatible and has an active internet connection through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, open your messaging application and send a text to 2199. The message should include the word JES followed by your registered email address. For example, you would send jesmymail@example.com. Once sent, check your email inbox for a message from Jio containing a QR code, which is required for reactivation. To reinstall the profile, open your phone's settings, navigate to the mobile network or SIM manager menu, and choose the option to add an eSIM or scan a QR code. Simply scan the code provided in your email to get your service back online. If you face any difficulties, you can contact Jio customer care or visit a nearby store for assistance. Finally, it is wise to save your eSIM information or keep that QR code email in a safe spot to prevent future issues.